Hey dude, hang on. Hey dude, this is kind of the update on the video game. I got all four guys kind of on a computer, like basic AI kind of thing here, and they kind of random walk until there's like they see a prize, and and then they'll try to go and get it. Um, yeah, dude's dead. Now there's some stupid shit. Yeah, more stupid shit. So anyway, that's kind of I got to work on this part of it, and then I don't know. The Mac is interesting because it renders the colors very differently than the other computer. So this is kind of yeah, more wrestling goofy. So anyway, dude, I don't know. Tell me what you tell me what your take on this is. Pretty goofy. I expect you're probably gonna say like, yeah, it's dumb. So anyway, any ideas? Let me know, dude. Thanks.